Ever watched an alpha male helping a girl? Well, now you've seen it.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
While reversing your car, please look back. That one friend who learns the wrong lyrics. That Porsche driver forgot to step on the brakes. Big bikes, nah, small is the new cool. Here's a dog trying to look forward to a bike. Me peacefully starting my car at 6 a.m. My neighbors are just waking up. A skateboarder who didn't fall but forgot to stop. A rich boy's going to school.
Crap. Is it a child? Oh my god, it's a kid! Oh my...
Here's how you can keep your car keys safe.
Shit. I just locked my keys in my car. No, fuck. Well, I guess we're gonna have to take the old boy.
Fake police arrived, but the real ones are first.
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
If you live in Australia, make sure to subscribe, even if you don't. I see flames here in a cycle. A Mark IV Super owner getting loved by a fan and getting a great day.
Yeah, it is. These are the Advan GTs. These are like 5Gs. Oh, big single turbo. This is imported too. This whole build must have cost you like $100 grand. What the? Well, have a great day.
And we say bye-bye.
Even Trump says bye-bye. What type of music video is this by a low-budget Snoop Dogg? Driving in rain gets even more watery. Hint, this exhaust has a wrapper. Here's a jet demonstrating a girl's mood. Why I like my car and why I don't. When you buy a short shifter for your 1.0 liter EcoBoost.
Why you are not ready for the shit in this? Are you go?
Go-kart update ends in destroying an iPhone.
Oh my gosh. I don't think they can even fix this.
Yeah, they can, bro.
I don't think you see what's going on.
Me chilling at the light, and then the pizza delivery driver comes up with a muffler deleted next to me, and now I'm craving a pizza. When you finally fix that one issue, and 2 more things break.
What the fuck is that song?
What do you think you're dating? The different ways to say carbon fiber.
Carbon fibers. Cars for hire. Crabs on fire.
Singing in front of my friends for the first time.
Take it easy on my phone, even though you told me to hurt me.
What?
You keep tearing me apart.
You can sing that?
Mercy.
You never told us to get sing. What the heck?
When a car nerd meets a supercar owner.
It's not a race car. It's just a Lancer.
I recognize the diamonds in the front. That's an Evo.
It's not an Evo.
Yeah, it's Lancer Evolution. Is this one of them Tokyo Drift race cars?
No, it's not a race car.
I saw it in Tokyo Drift.
No, you didn't.
I did. I saw the movie the other night in the theaters. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you got money for gas?
No.
God damn! God damn!
Father cat.
That's some bullshit!
I brought my dream car to the guy that wanted to meet up at Arby's, and I didn't understand why until I honked the horn. I'll be honking my horn around until Arby's notices. Me talking about my car to my friends. If you're a tough guy, then make sure to subscribe.
Look at the size of this trunk. You can fit at least 4 or 5 bodies in here comfortably.
My thoughts when I break my windshield for clout.
You look so dumb right now.
When you're having that one conversation, babe, come over, but I'm on my period. Let's just watch some movies. I can't, I'm super busy right now. Everyone is happy until their car crashes. Iron Man driving his car and getting towed. My reaction after seeing my first GTR versus me still after seeing hundreds. Me in the garage for 3 hours and dad walks in.
What the fuck are you doing? She's trying to fuck me!
When you're cruising in the new car with some friends and they start doing donuts in the intersection. Me trying to go magically into the garden. One logo is enough to destroy. A How normal people open trunks versus how psychopaths open trunks. When someone asks me why did I put the RGB lights under my Mercedes,
It's like a reward.
my crush is now a Miata.
Hi. Good morning.
How my parents think I drive versus reality. A popcorn maker in traffic. A wedding car crashed. That's a happy wedding.
Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go.
Poet, I'm a car.
Here's a Mercedes showing how she comes.
Ouch. My neck.
Bye-bye.
Benefits of having automatic doors. Me when I see my favorite
Is your
supercar.
vehicle right here?
Yeah, it's my car.
How do you drive with your rocker panel so low to the ground?
Those are called side skirt.
No, skirts are for ladies.
No, they're called side skirt.
Never mind, but how do you drive with it so low?
Just put it in drive and go.
Okay. Also, your steering wheel's on the other side of the car. What happened there?
We're in America.
Wow. I can't believe it.
It's cute, isn't it?
It's cute, yeah, but it's not a car.
It's so
If you like this video, then you'll love these two videos here.